Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this Wombat wallet overview, including the wallet itself and other resources, are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the wallet. Wombat Wallet offers a user-friendly and secure platform for managing your cryptocurrency, catering to both newcomers and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Initially centered around the EOS blockchain and its associated tokens, Wombat has broadened its horizons to encompass a multi-chain experience. This includes support for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and other prominent blockchains, providing the flexibility to manage diverse assets within a single, convenient wallet. This is especially useful for users with holdings distributed across various networks. A crucial aspect of Wombat Wallet security is its non-custodial nature. This means you retain full control over your private keys, the ultimate key to your digital assets. This control significantly enhances the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. Furthermore, Wombat Wallet seamlessly integrates with decentralized applications, dApps, enabling direct interaction with DeFi platforms and NFTs from within the wallet interface. Wombat prioritizes security by employing industry-standard encryption to protect your private keys and sensitive transaction data. The wallet's design emphasizes user-friendliness, boasting a straightforward setup process and a clear, intuitive interface. Added security measures like biometric authentication and a recovery phrase further enhance the safety of your assets, providing a robust backup and restoration mechanism should the need arise. This combination of security features, coupled with its non-custodial design, creates a strong foundation for safeguarding your funds. Designed for both simplicity and power, Wombat Wallet empowers users to stake tokens, efficiently manage their assets, and actively participate in the expanding EOS ecosystem, all while maintaining a high level of security. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're a seasoned investor, Wombat Wallet provides a secure and efficient solution for managing your digital assets and interacting with the blockchain. In summary, Wombat Wallet presents a secure and versatile option for managing a diverse portfolio of digital assets. Its strong encryption, multi-chain support, intuitive interface, and focus on user control make it a compelling choice. For a more in-depth look, check the description below for additional details and links to Wombat Wallet.